Here we are at the Caseificio, or the cheese shop of Santa Maria degli Angeli, not far from Assisi, adorned as you come in the door with a fresco by Mark Balma, famous artist from Minnesota who once lived in the town of Santa Maria degli Angeli and did this artwork for them, the Beefer Broccatelli. And as you enter, on the left is the creche scene. Creches all over Assisi now, because after all, the crib scene, the first one, was initiated by Francis of Assisi when he was preaching in the little town of Greccio, early 13th century, and wanted mass said in a stall with an ox and an ass present. And they say as he preached, the baby Jesus appeared miraculously in his arms. So now throughout Assisi, the creche scene competition. We're across from the Basilica of Santa Maria degli Angeli. You can see it right there. And let's look at some of the cheeses. I just purchased some of this aged sheep's milk cheese called the Damiatino, pecorino aged. And here are cacciotas, cow's milk cheeses. Cow's milk cheese is also seasoned with truffle, cacciota al tartufo, cacciota peperoncino with hot red pepper, fresh scamorze. A favorite of ours is scamorza affumicata, smoked. Slice it and put those slices in a homemade tomato sauce till they melt. And what a dish. Various shoppers today. And here we have ricotta of cow's milk and ricotta of sheep's milk. And this gentleman is buying some goat's milk cheese, formaggio di capra. We have mascarpone, which will be added to anyone's tiramisu. Here's a tomino, a fresh cow's milk cheese. And I did purchase the mozzarella fatta a mano, homemade or made by hand mozzarella. These are delicious too, not made by hand, but fresh mozzarella. And this is a mozzarella of buffalo milk from Campania region in the south of Italy. They have all kinds of yogurts for sale over there, little packaged cheeses for Christmas presents. And over here, boxes of cheeses as Christmas gifts, gifts for family, gifts for people who might work for you in a business. Larger box with more cheeses, smaller gift boxes with various cheeses, colorful bows, and the label Caseificio Broccatelli. The Italian word for cheese is formaggio, Latin case, and a caseificio is where cheese is made. And not only are they selling cheeses, but they're now also selling gelato. This is a tiramisu gelato, something to try during the holidays. And the cheesecake gelato, plain vanilla fior di latte. And more shoppers coming in as we head out, wishing you all Buon Natale from the Caseificio Broccatelli, Santa Maria degli Angeli.